abahagizi ab'ekibiina ekya National Resistance Movement okuruga omuri Makindye eriizooba bayishika Chai ekya Buziga Islamic Secondary School okwasa kwakira ori chairman w'ekibiina ekya NRM na n'okuhurikiza ebyo byona ebyayiteekateekire kukora omu nshuro erikwija kandi aba bamwakiza Rukundo Mpango. Abebembezi aba Makindye bashoborera omwebembezi w'ihanga bimwe bizibu ebiri kubateganisa nk'abantu ba Makindye.
Your Excellency, tuyina kyebayita ba mothers, ba single mothers abo bawulya Your Excellency nga bakulembera omukyala Winnie atudde awo. Omukyala oyo abakozeemu omulimu gw'amaanyi nnyo, sebo nabo baina saako yaabwe.
Speaker w'ishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Anita Among yashoborera omwebembezi w'ihanga ng'ekibuga kya Kampala nikiteganisibwa omwijuzo ogw'amaizi ahabw'okukora kubi emifuregye ekyari kugira ngu omwebembezi w'ihanga haine kurugayo akaleba ngu yakora aha nshonga egi.
However, Your Excellency, we have a problem of floods in town.
Naye Mukama wange President, tuyina obuzibu bw'omujjuso mu kibuga ogw'amataba.
You find there is a flood coming from Katwe, Kansanga, Gaba.
Waliwo amataba obusere by'enkuba Kansanga Gabaawo agayisalako enguudo. Nakivubo kyano
Kibuye to Munyonyo.
Kibuli Munyonyo mu Mukwana.
We need to find a lasting solution.
Janet Kataha Museveni yashaba abantu okureba ngu barinda obusinge obubashenkuritwe barwanirire omyaka enyuma bari kuronda ogwo wena ori kubasa kurinda obusinge mu ihanga.
Therefore, refuse anybody who wants to bring you into fighting and bringing instability and conflict in our country. Those things must remain in our history, locked there, and Uganda must go forward in peace and unity.
President Museveni omukugamba kwe yaraganisa abantu ba Makindye okukwata abo bona abayehire sente eza PDM bakalemwa okuzigaruza otireho na nabo abazikozise kubi.
What we are going to do is say, okay, wegabira weka, when the time is due, you pay back the money.
Naye kyanjawulo tujja goba mwegabira mweka obudde butuuka sente muzizi.
You return the money.
Muzikomyewo ze mwegabidde.
Muzikomyewo omubudde bwazo.
Muzikomyewo mu budde bwe mulina okuziddizaamu bwe bwazitwaliramu obutuufu.
Ogwo yashoborera ngu abo bona abayehire sente ziho bwahati hakiriho kubasaasira ngu aha murundi ogwo nibija kuba bakozire omushango gw'amaani.
It's different.
Era kyanjawulo
from okuba.
Oli okwata sente zonna n'abulawo nazo.
Waliwo okutema ku sente z'abantu.
Waliwo ate okutema ku sente omuntu z'alina okufuna. Olina kufuna kakadde ne bakuwaana.
Kati ogwo musango sinolonga ensobi, it is now omusango.
Kuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Tayari West.